Hello everyone, this is Yvonne from Trucking Up 404. In today's video, I'll be covering several job opportunities for independent contractor courier. First company I would like to present is called Halifax. Halifax is now a part of the Associate Courier family. So all you need to do is scroll down and click on the Associate Courier opportunity. Here you will find a list of different opportunities in many states such as Delaware, Jacksonville, Florida. You also have Miami, Florida. You have Michigan. You also have New York. So what I'm going to do is click on one of these job opportunities for a medical courier and give you an insight of what the requirements that you will need. So I'm going to go ahead and click on medical courier driver for Cleveland, Ohio. Now, for this job opportunity, they are offering a $500 incentive after 45 days. The route is from Monday through Saturday with pickup between 3 a.m. to 12 p.m. And you will be considered a 1099 independent contractor, and you must be available to work some weekends. If you're interested in applying to any of these job opportunities, I will leave the link in the description below this video. Now, the next job opportunity I would like to present is called Bellhop. Now, Bellhop, they're currently looking for independent contractors to deliver packages, medical supply. You can create your own schedule. This opportunity is available throughout many states, and I will leave the link in the description below this video. Now, the next opportunity that I would like to present is called Express Errands Courier. They are currently looking for independent contractors as well. You will be delivering medical information, legal documentations, and even packages. They have opportunity available within Atlanta, Georgia, Birmingham, Texas, Jacksonville, Florida, Phoenix, Arizona, and so on. If you're interested in applying to this company, I will leave the link in the description below this video. Now, the next company I would like to present is called Skipcard. Now, Skipcard is sort of like an app. What you'll do, you will download this app. You will put in your information, and then you will look for available opportunities to be able to deliver different packages available within your area. If you're interested in applying to this opportunity, I will leave the link in the description below this video. If you have any questions, please do ask, and you all have a good day.